Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the Csgo config you want to migrate. Find AutoExec, CFG, or your customized binds. Once found, make a clearly named copy for Cs2 and place it in Counter-Strike 2/CSGO/CFG. You do this because file paths changed and mixing originals could break launch behavior. Make sure permissions allow the game to read the file. Next, open the file in a plain text editor and remove deprecated commands. This prevents errors when Cs2 parses settings at startup. Now you edit for compatibility. Scan for commands that Cs2 no longer supports and either replace or comment them out. For example, match viewModel or radar tweaks to Cs2 syntax and correct any changed convar names. Once done, preserve your essential binds and sensitivity settings exactly because small differences affect muscle memory. Save periodically and keep a version history. Then, run Cs2 with the console launch option to observe errors. That immediate feedback lets you iterate safely and catch issues early. Finally, you load the config by launching Cs2 with +exec your file name and watch the console for warnings or unknown commands. If something breaks, stop and revert to the backup copy, then reapply changes one at a time to isolate the problem. Make sure to test in an offline server first so you don't risk competitive matches. One key troubleshooting tip: if the console shows unknown commands, comment them and relaunch. Often a single deprecated convar causes the rest of the file to be ignored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.